Hiya, folks! Here I am, Екатерина Пряникова. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple backgrounds making crop of videos, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the button preset. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. Important in our creation some footage as requires some fast plugins sign the speed of the processing to make this much easier. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section. Business cooperation, welcome to my web address. On my second channel Machine Footage, you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in the videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage on. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments.